Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. First off, not my last video, 2 videos ago, I told you guys that you are able to use third-party services on Poshmark now, and I referenced a video, and that video, guys, life has just been crazy lately. The video ended up getting deleted as I was editing. I don't know, I thought I had imported it into iMovie and I hadn't, so I emptied out my trash can and it was just a mess. But I will talk about that in this video. I'm just trying to get my life back on track. I am 3 months postpartum. My baby boy will be 3 months tomorrow. So yeah, I'm 3 months postpartum. I'm trying to get back on track, trying to get things back to normal. We hired a nanny, which is amazing. She's amazing. We should have done this like 3 kids ago, seriously. But yeah, she's great. I'll talk all about that on my vlog channel. That's another video that I have to make. I have to do a life update. Probably gonna do it after this video. You're able to use third-party services on Poshmark now. So, if you go to the Poshmark terms of service, they have completely changed it since I made my videos. I feel like I have to go back to those videos now and put a disclaimer in the description box and say, hey, you can actually use third-party services now. But don't get it twisted. Automation is still a no-no. Still a no-no. People will still be like, I can use it. It'll make my business better. I need to use it. You know, there's still people with that mentality that think that they're just high and mighty and the Poshmark's never gonna catch me. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, don't get that twisted. Automation is still a no. If you're smart, you know, if you don't want to risk losing your shit. But you can use third-party services now for things such as cross-listing, which I do now. I use Vendoo. I love Vendoo. It's amazing. I am on, what am I on now? I'm on 1, 2, 3, 4 different platforms now, and things are going well. Oh my gosh. Poshmark has completely changed their terms of service on their website. I can make a whole video maybe talking specifically about that. I don't want to touch too much on it in this video, but I do have an email from Poshmark because I asked them. I saw that they changed, long story short, I saw someone on Instagram mention it, and then I checked out their terms of service and I saw that they changed it. So I reached out to them like, hey, what's going on? Can we use third-party services now? Because if you go back and watch my previous videos, I had gotten emails from them saying specifically third-party services are not allowed. We're not affiliated with any third-party service. I don't know why people still think that Poshmark is affiliated with List Perfectly. No, they are not. They're not. People are like, oh, they were at PoshFest. They had a booth at PoshFest. No, they didn't. They attended PoshFest, but they weren't a sponsor. Poshmark didn't like invite them. Poshmark didn't pay for them. They were just attendees there. Then this most recent PoshFest, they were at the PoshFest pre-party, which Poshmark had nothing to do with that. Brad and John from the Posh Kings like made that whole thing. Poshmark had nothing to do with that. So anyway, email says, hi Vanessa, thank you for reaching out to me. Third-party services are used at your own discretion. Please see our terms of service. So there you have it. Crazy. I feel like I really need to go back to all those videos and say, hey, maybe I'll put a link to this video and say, hey, watch this. This is the update. I think that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, I just wanted to briefly touch on that. But I do have questions, Poshmark Q&A from you guys. Here we go. Okay, this is kind of long, but I'm gonna read it. I got a bad review, which was a blatant lie, and it pissed me off so badly that I did not share my closet for a couple of days. What was the point if I was going to get bad reviews? I did contact Poshmark because their review was in the acceptance comments, and there was no way for me to reply. Of course, Poshmark is not going to remove it, but now that they have gone public, they will find a way to remove certain items. As a small business, I have recourse against blatant lies that cost me money. I'm not going to pursue this one because I didn't do the correct process either. But I'm going to make sure my I's are dotted and my T's are crossed, so I'm prepared should there be a next time. Reviews are great, even a bad review when it's true. They can help correct things in your business to make it better. When someone, crazy or not, gives false information in a review, there is legal recourse, and when Poshmark starts having to identify those, they will change their policy, especially now that corporations are allowed on the platform. So, Deborah, I don't know if you're gonna watch this video, but I did want to, there's not really a question in there, but I did want to address that. On Poshmark, if somebody leaves you a less than 5-star review, nobody can see that. Nobody can see the review that they left. Only you can see that. So, I wouldn't get too worried about it, honestly. So you really don't have to worry about that affecting your business because nobody can see the review that they left. I have seen some people be sneaky though and leave a bad review with a 5-star rating, because if somebody leaves you a 5-star rating, you can see their comment. But again, 4 stars or under, if they leave you a comment, no one can see that except you. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. I don't know if anyone else had that issue, knows that. Hi Vanessa, thank you for being a working, teaching supermom inspiration. You're just the best. Thank you, Allie. I have a question. I recently sold a pair of shoes to someone and apparently they didn't fit her, so she relisted them in her closet using my photos. I have it turned off where it allows people to use my photos if they decide to reposh, so I assume she took screenshots of my listing photos. I retail arbitrage several pairs of them and still have 2 pairs left, so I'm still using said photos. Also, she is selling them for more than she paid for them. Should I be mad that she's using my photos? Do I say something or leave it alone? I would be mad. I know there are some people that are like, oh, I don't care, but I'd be mad. I took the time to photograph things and you're not just going to use my photos. However, that being said, I actually had one of my buyers contact me and say, hey, it was a shirt or a sweatshirt. It was something that didn't fit them. Knew that they couldn't return it, so they wanted to reposh it. And they asked me if they could use my photos. And I said, yes, because they asked me. But if someone just goes and steals my pictures and uses them, no. I would contact them. That's just my opinion. Again, I know some people are like, I don't care, but I would contact them because, like I said, I took the work to take the pictures and no. But as far as her trying to sell it for more than what she bought it for, you can't really get mad at her for that because, I mean, that's what everyone does. That's the world of resale. Next question. Hey girl, do you think adding keywords at the bottom of each listing actually helps it sell? So I am not good with SEO. I don't understand it. I don't know. I thought on Poshmark, I thought you weren't allowed to do that. I'm not 100% sure on that. And I'm also not 100% sure as to if you do that, if it does help SEO. Again, I'm not an SEO person. I don't know. Next question. Hey, Vanessa, congrats to you and your family on your baby boy. Oh, thank you. I don't know your first name, but your Instagram is styleonsale_SOS. Okay, it says, for a Q&A video, I'd like to get your thoughts on Poshmark's new shipping discount. I've been trying out the $5.95 shipping discount when sending offers. As a buyer as well, I would be fine with a $5.95 shipping discount. It helps to lower fees for sellers. So I don't know. I'm going to make a whole video talking about the shipping discount. I don't know. I mean, I do kind of know. I have many thoughts on it. I have been trying it out. Haven't had success with the $5.95 shipping. I've had more success with the $4.99 shipping, or obviously free shipping. But yeah, I'll talk more about that in its own video coming soon. Okay, last question. What is your most liked item in your closet that hasn't sold? That's a good question. So if you didn't know, you can actually sort by likes on your closet now. So let's see. So my most liked item is this pair of Lululemon Wonder Under Crop leggings. They're size 8. I have them listed for $55. They have 40 likes on them. And nobody has purchased them. I don't know. I'll show you what they look like. They're like a, not like a snake skin. I don't know, like a zigzag print. I don't know. Arrow Jacquard Battleship Silver Spoon. Color, style name, whatever. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.